Dear friends, welcome back to my channel. We will continue our journey and explore many known and unknown ancient Buddhist heritage sites in India. We have started our journey in the state of Maharashtra and seen renowned ancient and historical caves, arts, and sculptures. Today, we will explore the famous, exotic, ancient, and historic Buddhist caves, Vijasan Caves. Vijasan Caves are located at Bhadravati in Chandrapur district of Maharashtra state in India. Bhadravati or Bhandak is an old city in Vidarbha, which is around 25 km from Chandrapur. The history of the city of Bhadravati goes back to 2000 years. In this place, there are many ancient relics, castles, temples, and caves to the medieval period from prehistoric times. Vijasan Caves are the biggest Buddhist caves in Vidarbha, constructed in the 2nd century CE by King Yajna Sri Satakarni of Satvahana dynasty. Panduvanshis ruler Udayana's grandson Bhavdeva done restoration of these Buddhist caves. Is an impression that a Chinese traveler Yuan Sang had visited this place. Rulers like Maurya, Satvahan, Western satraps, Mundraj Vansh, Wakatak, Nalvansh, Vishnukundi, Kalchuri, Chalukya, Rashtrakut, Mana, Yadava have ruled in Bhadravati. Vijasan caves consist of long passages leading through small chamber up to small shrines of Buddha. From the head of the long chamber, a few short passages lead up to the sanctum, a small room with a flat roof having a statue of seated Buddha on a throne. On the left hand, there is a small room 6 feet 9 inch square. On the right hand are 2 small rooms. These are cells for monks. There is a short inscription of 6 letters on the right door jamb of the entrance. The first and the last letters are not clear, though the whole may be read as Sri Rudasachi Hu. This record seems to be only the name of a pilgrim, Rudra, who had visited the caves. Another large inscription, which is on a long reddish stone that had been removed and taken to Nagpur Museum. The right cave and the left cave are of exactly the same style as the front cave, but these are smaller in sizes. The statue of seated Buddha is carved on the throne in these caves. These caves are just a few numerous Buddhist sites in Maharashtra. Many statues and Buddhist remains have been found in the area. At the entrance on the left side is a statue of Padmapani. This place is very nice, peaceful, quiet, full of tranquility. You can easily spend 1 hour here. The best time to visit is evening or dawn. You can climb up on the hill and get awesome background view of Bhadravati town. If you plan to visit there, the street is little confusing. Better to follow maps. It will definitely take you to the right place. Vijasan Caves deserves a special mention for the carving of 3 stupa symbols on their facade. The stupa symbols are carved in low relief on the facade of the caves as well as on the side walls of the side porch. These depictions of stupa symbol are shown with all paths such as Medi, Anda, Harmika and Chatravali. Let's go to the top of the hill. On the top of the hill, beautiful Buddha statue is erected. One can see the magnificent view of the Bhadravati city from the top of the hill. You must visit this ancient and historical Buddhist heritage site of India. I hope you are mesmerized by the vast array of ancient Buddhist caves and monuments with so much insight into the past. We will continue exploring the ancient historical Buddhist heritage sites in India in the upcoming episodes. Please subscribe and press the bell icon and select all. Thank you for watching.